So now for one more final change of pace as we move into the area of transportation and mobility for our final hour. Starting in this section, we have a company that provides long-distance truck logistics services to enterprises, individuals, and logistics company, sharing how they connect truck drivers with those in need via its platform. Please welcome on stage, folks, Fuyu Kushu, co-founder, Jack Chen. Jack, thank you.
Hi, hi everyone. My name is Jack Chen. I'm the co-founder. I manage the product development and the research teams at Fuyu Culture. So this is a little bit difficult name, but in Chinese is Fuyu Culture, means lucky and blessed trucks. Okay. Okay. As our company's name suggests, we serve in the massive road transportation logistics industry in China. So if we break this down, there are actually three types of logistic service using road transportation. Express delivery, less than truckload, and full truckload. Each representing 500 billion, 1,000 billion, and another 1,000 billion market. Notice the first two services, express and less than truckload, they collect the goods together, and then eventually they also need to use the full truckload long haul services. So our company specializes in this full truckload long haul trucking service, which is expected to grow to 2,420 billion RMB by 2020. So where is the opportunity in this industry? We note the strong trend of integration of upstream supply chain. For example, the incredible growth of e-commerce in China also drives the growth of express delivery. The top two B2C e-commerce company takes more than 80% of market share. For the express delivery, the top 5 suppliers takes more than 85% of market shares. But on the other hand, if you look at the downstream, the trucking suppliers, there's no huge player in this space. Actually, 70% of those 20 million truck drivers or suppliers are self-employed individuals. So this is a highly fragmented space. And this causes the pain point of the industry is low transportation efficiency, such as opaque pricing because of many brokers, and also order splitting because of the small capacity of individual trucking suppliers, and also poor quality of service because there's no uniform standard, and also the low asset efficiency. And this is where my company comes in, and to serve, to integrate these trucking suppliers. So we are the largest full truckload internet platform, integrates a large number of trucking suppliers to address various customer needs. So there are many innovations happening inside our platform using big data and algorithms. And I will just walk you through some simple examples. First, let me define a full capacity one-way route, which means that there's a one shipping order from A to B every day, meaning like 30 orders per month. Okay, our competitors can only handle such routes, full capacity routes, to maximize their trucking efficiency. But my company specializes to handle the under capacity orders or routes, such with a small number, such as maybe 8 orders per month, 7 orders per month. And we use the predictive algorithms to merge them into full capacity routes. And then we give them to our fleet partners. Now, because our customers only give us under capacity routes, so we can charge a higher premium, or you can say this is a retail price to our upstream customers. And then because we package them together, so we can charge we can basically give the wholesale price to our fleet partners. So we receive the price difference as our profits. But we don't just stop here. So now I'm going to walk you through a more advanced examples where we use algorithm to take a large number of individual orders and produce a multilateral full capacity routes. So let's see the first diagram on the left. So if I am the trucking suppliers, and if my customers give me a full capacity round-trip route, now that I can put 2 trucks running that shipping orders to maximize my efficiency. So assume I charge $3,500 to my customer for just one leg A to B, and assume the cost is $3,100, then my profit will be $500, right? Now, if my customer can only give me a full capacity route from A to B, not a round trip, and then I have to find the orders coming back from B to A, right? And that uncertainty means that my truck may have to wait at B to get another order coming back to A, or I have to go to A with empty load, right? So because of this uncertainty, I will charge a higher price to my customers. For example, 3,750 RMB. And my cost, because of the waiting or the empty load, will be 3,300. Then my profit, for example, will be 450. But for our platform, our advantage is to refactor all those shipping orders and to come up with multiple one-way full capacity route to come up with a loop. So this way, because I'm merging those under capacity orders, so I can charge much higher price to my customers. So my income from A to B, for example, will be 3,750. But because of this full capacity loop, my suppliers will only charge 1,300. So my profit in this case will be much higher. So hopefully you have understand the algorithms and where is our advantage. Now we are not only doing this to charge the price difference. Because of the maximum efficiency, we are also buying our own trucks and hiring the drivers to deliver the goods based on our algorithm determined routes. So this way, we are not only receiving the price profits, but also because these drivers are taking loans from us, we also receive the profits because of the low interests. So because of our platform integrates a large number of suppliers, and because of our unique pricing advantages, our platform has experienced fast growth. For example, last year, our income is 3.7 billion RMB. And this year, our target is 6 billion. And we have seen cumulative drivers on our platform was 355,000 drivers. This year, we are targeting about 500,000 drivers. Now, looking to the future, remember, our target this year, the income is 6 billion. But the whole market, if you remember, it was 2,420 billion. So we have very high, large space to grow. Now, in addition to the transportation pricing profits, we are also getting into other transportation-related areas. For example, we are looking at the fuel market because 1/3 of the expense for the long-haul transportation is actually spent on the fuel. Now, because of our large number of orders, we can buy the fuel in a wholesale price and then resell them to our drivers at a retail price. And we are also looking at the autonomous driver in the near future, which may disrupt our industry. So this is the overview of my company, and I'm happy to chat with you afterwards. Thank you.